Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this digital day clock. So this has to be the easiest clock I've ever set. I simply just plugged it in. Now it does have some controls on the back, but I just plugged it in and it's got the correct date and time. So there is a wall plug. You do have to plug this in. The cable is connected to it. It is 5 feet long. So around back you're going to plug it into the side right here. And again, the stand, you can hang this on the wall. But you're going to open this up, put the stand, and again, we've got buttons here where we can set the time and a menu, but wow, that was super impressive. Okay, so we do have 3 different formats that it can look like here on the front, and I'm going to show you how to set the time. But this OK button, you're going to press and hold that for 3 seconds. There's that one. Press and hold it again for 3 seconds, that one. And then in this display, I can change the color by pressing one of the arrows. Any of the arrows, just press it. We've got like a yellow, red, green, blue, and back to the normal color. Now let's press the menu button. There's the menu button. And again, I'm going to use these up, down arrows to go to different settings. There's where you set the time right there. The date, time mode, 12 hours. And again, I would press the arrow. Okay, so when it's red, then you can, press the OK button. Then when it's red, you can go to 24 or 12 hours. And then press the OK button again, and it goes back to that color. So when you want to set the time, press the OK button. It's red. You're going to change that with the left or right arrow. Press the OK button again. Left or right changes the minutes, AM. And then up or down will change the actual time. So press the OK. And then let's go down. Mode, 12-hour, month, day, year. Brightness during day, brightness at night. I can change that. Alarm set. It does have an alarm. Volume. Daylight savings time, North America. English. Factory reset. And back. So press the menu button again. And you go back to the normal time. Yeah, this thing works really well. Let's go over measurements. 8 inches. By 5 3/4 almost. You know, it's not really thick. About 1 inch thick. With the stand, about 5 inches. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.